Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back again for another unboxing video. Today we have a massive aquarium accessories setup unboxing. As you guys know, if you watch my previous videos, you'll know we have a previous tank. Here's the other tank right here. But we had mollies in there, and our mollies end up having babies. So we got all these babies. We got about 80 to 85 babies in this tank right here. So we had to get another tank because we had to separate the babies from the other fish so they won't get eaten. Now we did buy another tank. We bought a 2.5 gallon tank just to separate the mother and the father, the ones that's always, getting it in. So we have them in this tank right here. This is a smaller tank, so we're basically gonna call this the breeding tank. And then now, today, we're gonna show you. It's not all the way to the unboxing, but we're going to show you all the things we have for our new 29 gallon tank. The one I just showed you is a 20 gallon high. This is a 29 gallon high. So this is from Aqueon. Aqueon, I think that's how you say it. So let's go through everything we have here, and we're going to break it down for you guys. Let's start with all the accessories here. Right here, we have a bag of 25 artificial flowers. So, see this bag right here? This is a great deal. And don't forget, I will have a link for all these items in my video. So, this is a pack of 25 artificial flowers. And when you take this out, you'll see you have all different sizes of flowers. You have small ones, mediums, and then you have taller ones like that. So you have all different sizes of flowers, all different colors, different shapes. And then what you want to do too is you want to make sure when you get these flowers like this, you make sure you boil them. Well, not actually boil them, but get some hot water. Let them soak in some hot water. Rinse them out real good with some hot water, hot boiling water. So that way it's clean. There's none of the materials they use to make them are on there. So here are all the flowers right there. Next up, I bought some ornaments. Actually, this ornament came out the other tank. I just took it out. It's like a vase. You see the angels on there? It's like a vase. When you sit it down, the fish get going that way. They can actually come up under here, or they can go down through here. So this is a nice little ornament I bought. I will put a link to that if you guys want to check that out. See how big it is. Not that here's my hand there, so that just gives you an idea of how big it is right there. The next little ornament I got, this is brand new. Still haven't used this. This is going to be for the new tank. It's like tubes. It's 3 tubes. It look like artificial grass on it and brown. So once you submerge that into the water, the fish can go in and out through there, through all the tubes. It's just, chase each other and have a lot of fun. Next thing I got is I got a different color gravel. I've got the Imaginarian gravel. So it's the same kind I actually use upstairs, but we got green on the other tank, and I'm using purple. I actually had some green left over, so I mixed the green and the purple together. So I'm gonna show you guys how that look right here. Next up, I got a couple things. Oh, I still have more stuff coming, but I've got some air tubes coming. The air tubes are going to go with this underground filter. This is an underwater, under gravel filter. You put this in the bottom of the fish tank. It has 2 stones here. Air filter come up and it hits the charcoal right at the end. So this is underground filter. A lot of people, there's good or bad reviews on artificial underground filters, but I'm actually going to use it in combination with the hangover filter, the hangover filter. the one that hangs over the tank that comes in this particular kit I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna use this in conjunction with that filter, so it's gonna be a double up. Also on this side of the table, we're looking at more Aqueon product. We're going to get 2 more algae eaters. We have 2 algae eaters upstairs and they do a great job. So we're going to buy 2 more algae eaters. This is going to be their food. I got tropical flake food right here. Right there, tropical flake, natural, 2.2 ounce. So we got 2 of those. Definitely make sure you get some water conditioner, because when you're first setting up a tank, even, I can tell you, even after you set up your tank, you're going to constantly use this. Anytime you do your water, your 20%, 30% water changes, you're going to always need the water conditioner. So you want to get a big bottle of that, because you're going to constantly use that. Next up, we have the Tetra air pump. This is for a 10 to 30 gallon. Like I say, this is a 29 gallon high. So we got the Tetra air pump. As you can see, this thing is supposed to be the shape of silence. So this thing is supposed to be real quiet. See, it's dome shaped, thick walls, singular air outlet, flexible rubber feet. This thing is supposed to be real quiet. So make sure you guys definitely stay tuned to the channel, because I'm going to do a setup video on this tank. And then I'm going to see, is this thing really that quiet? But let's open this baby up and just make sure. I'm pretty sure what's supposed to be in there is in there. But let's open it up just to make sure, because this is actually an unboxing video. I don't have my knife with me today, so let's just use my keys. Ah, yes sir. We're gonna use the keys today. So let's open this baby up. Unboxing of the Tetra air pump. And ooh, okay, it's a little bigger. Okay, it's a little bigger than I thought. So inside of here, you have the instruction manual, and you have the filter, and you have the directions. So this is how this looks right here. So inside there, it comes with everything you need. Instruction manual. It looks like a, so this is supposed to be real quiet. There's the power already attached to it. There's the air for right there. And basically what you're going to do, oh, these are 2 air tubes. These are just air lines I'm going to use. I'm going to use these air lines on that pump, and I'm going to use it on the underground filter, because you need 2 on that. But basically what you'll have is this. This will go right down on here like so. And boom. I gotta think, might have to, yeah, it'll fit. I just gotta soften it up. But that'll go on there, and then that'll send it down and then make your stone. So this should be great, great, great. I think we got all of that out the way. Next thing, we're going to get the big boy, the 29 gallon. Let me move some stuff around for you guys. Make sure I ain't knocking stuff over. And here's the 29 gallon tank by Aqueon. This tank is an LED, has an LED light top, just like the other one I had. Make sure you watch the previous video. Exactly the same tank, except 29 and not 20. It comes with a thermometer, heater, a little net. Comes with little trial versions of the food, the LED lights. Comes with a pump. So let's go in here. As you can see inside the box, you got the actual tank, you got the hood, and here's all the items I just showed you on the box. So here are all the items here. You can open these up real quick. Now, as you guys see, inside the box, you got the Quad Flow 20 pump. It comes with the pump, the filter right here, same as I used up there. I love these filters because it's a double banger. You got the charcoal, you have the charcoal device in the front of it, then you have the actual filter in the back, so it works as a double whammy, and it has a light on it. So when it starts to, when this light comes on, you know that your filter needs to be changed. So we have that. This is the heater right here. So I can show you guys that. That's the actual heater. right there. So you got your heater that goes over the tank. Like I said, they give you some tropical flakes, but look at this little packet they give you. I got 2 big things. This is 0.25 grams. This right here is 65 grams each. So they give you that little food. And look at the water conditioner that comes with it. They give you a little 2 fluid ounce water conditioner. Just look at the one I bought. This is 16 fluid ounce. But I already know what to get. Instruction manual, you know, there's the thermometer, so I always want to keep between 78, 80 degrees. That's where I keep it. And here's the little switch right here. This turns the light on and off. And here's your net right here. Get your fish up in there. And then, of course, you already saw the actual tank there. So what you want to do is make sure, you check out the tank. Make sure, look, when you're looking at a tank, you see how you see, let me lean it over a little bit. You see the glue coming down the side? You want to make sure that the glue is overlapping the corners. Make sure the glue overlaps all the corners. Make sure there's no cracks in it. And what you want to do before you go, you want to clean it. So you want, put some water in it. Probably, 5 gallons. This is a 29 gallon. So I'll probably put about 5-6 gallons in here. Make sure everything is good, no leaks before I totally set it up. And then, like I say, I'm actually waiting on my stand to come, and I've got some more aeration devices to come. But make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. Next video, I will be setting this up, and I will show you the tank after it's fully set up, and we'll be rocking and rolling. Yes, sir. Hey, thank you guys for watching. Unboxing video of my aquarium accessories. Like I said, coming up real soon will be the setup video. I'm just waiting on my stand because, as you know, this full is over 300 some pounds of water. So I have to wait till the stand comes. So once I start filling it up and doing everything, I don't have to move it. So stay tuned to that. That'll probably be next week because I don't think the stand is coming to the end of this week. So make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.